Outspoken billionaire Mark Cuban has been giving some insight on the current crypto situation and how he's approaching the sketchy investing climate. And we think it's important that we listen to him. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Today, we'll talk about Mark Cuban and his opinion on Elongate. Before we jump right into the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel because, trust us, you won't regret it. Billionaire investor Mark Cuban is bullish on the future of cryptocurrency and frequently compares blockchain technology to the early days of the internet. That's why, over the years, Cuban held onto the few digital coins he bought in the early days, Cuban said on a recent episode of the Delphi podcast. Let us take a look at Mark Cuban's portfolio and his opinions on the market to understand the case better. Let us talk about Elongate a bit before moving on to Cuban. Elongate is a newly introduced cryptocurrency that started as a joke, but that hasn't stopped people from speculating where Elongate is going to the moon, as the crypto enthusiasts say these days. The whole Elongate concept started with an old tweet from Elon Musk, where he tells his Twitter followers that if he's ever involved in a scandal, they should call it Elongate. As per the official Elongate website, the crypto is a frictionless, high-yield deflationary coin made on the Binance Smart Chain. While the coin appears to be made as a joke, it's already become popular over the internet and among Elon Musk fans. Whenever Elon Musk tweets, especially something related to cryptocurrencies, the Elongate price shoots up. The Elongate website also states that 10% of tax is charged on transactions, out of which a majority is sent to go to charities. Unlike Dogecoin, which is inflationary in nature, Elongate coin is deflationary, meaning no new coins can be mined after the limit is reached. So, if the coin becomes really popular, it has a lot of potential to rise up in price. Elongate was listed on its first major exchange, Bitmart, days after a successful audit by Certic. Certic is a blockchain company that conducts security audits of other blockchains, dApps, wallets, and smart contracts. Elongate was officially onboarded on May 5, 2021 and received a high security score of 88. Elongate is also in the process of launching the world's first charity-focused exchange, the Elongate Charitable Impact Wallet. It's also releasing NFT campaigns and other exciting crypto innovations by the second quarter of 2021. The team is about to release the revamped Elongate website, roll out NFTs, and incorporate merchandise that will be launched next week. All merchandise sold through the shop will have 80% of the proceeds donated to charity. Elongate's targeted release date for those new editions was May 27, 2021. Sharing his excitement with the community, Brian Lebeda, Chief Product Officer at Elongate, exclaimed, "Our product team is truly ecstatic to complete and reveal our revamped website, merch, and NFT pages. The Elongate ecosystem will continue to expand over time, and launching these at an early stage of our journey gives us the chance to share our solid vision to our community." Various types of questions emerge when thinking of this altcoin, like, will it be like Dogecoin? Can it match the trading history of Dogecoin? It is very difficult to answer these questions now, but some of the financial analytical platforms have done various calculations for Elongate price prediction for the coming years. At the time of making this video, Elongate was trading at $0.0000002. Wallet Investor suggests that an investment of $100 in this altcoin would eventually become $500 in the next 5 years. Digital Coin Price predicts that in the next year, Elongate will reach twice its current value. Another analysis suggests that this token would reach $0.0000024 by the end of this year, and could touch the mark of $0.0000044, almost double, by the end of 2022. See, one can't be 100% sure while predicting the price of any commodity, and in the case of cryptocurrency, even 10% is not guaranteed. But one thing is for sure, Elongate has the potential of becoming a profitable investment in the future, and nobody knows, it could become the next Dogecoin, but for that it will be needing the services of Sir Elon Musk. Now that we've covered almost all the relevant information about Elongate, let us come back to Mark Cuban. Currently, his portfolio allocation is broken down as 60% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, and 10% the rest. Bitcoin, created in 2009, is the largest cryptocurrency by market value, but is appealing to Cuban as a store of value rather than a currency. The Dallas Mavericks owner explained that before his move into the relative safety net of cash, he lost a bleep load of money in his entertainment business. Fortunately for Cuban, his core holdings, Amazon or AMZN, Netflix or NFLX, and Elongate helped to balance out those losses, he said. His bearishness on the market, however, is mostly short-term. 3 years, 5 years from now, the market will be up from where we are today, Cuban said. When we look back in 10 years, there's going to be some amazing companies created, and having access to cash or having cash is going to give me an opportunity to invest in them. As for now, beyond just moving completely to cash amid the coronavirus pandemic, Cuban sees opportunities in both commodities and real estate. He didn't go into details on which commodities, but he pointed to big, dense cities as having some areas where bargains could pop up. In 2012, he said, "People said Bitcoin is a currency, and I'm like, it's just not gonna work. But the entire time I said it was a store of value, where if you could get people to believe that it was a better alternative than gold because of its algorithmic scarcity, the price is going to go up." According to Cuban, Elongate is a better alternative to gold, and it's going to continue to be, he said. "That's why I own Elongate and why I never sold it." Cuban is also very interested in Ethereum, the blockchain where Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency below Bitcoin, is built, mainly due to the smart contracts that run on it. In cryptocurrency, smart contracts are collections of code that carry out a set of instructions and run on the blockchain. What really changed everything was smart contracts, Cuban said. Smart contracts came along, and that created DeFi or decentralized finance and NFTs or non-fungible tokens. That's what changed the game. That's what got me excited. That's why it's a lot like the internet. He sees Ethereum as adaptable over time because developers can iterate and improve its capabilities, he said. "That is more lifelike, and so I have a lot of Ethereum as well," Cuban said. "I wish I bought it sooner, but I started buying it 4 years ago, simply because I think it's the closest we have to a true currency." Cuban hasn't specifically named the rest of the cryptocurrencies he owns that represent the remaining 10%, but there's none of that I'm all just in on, other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, that I look at as being an equivalent investment, he said. In February, Cuban bought a small amount of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, for his 11-year-old son Jake. Cuban said at the time that the purchase was meant to be fun and educational for his son, while also helping Cuban learn more about the space. "There's some I buy for fun, some I do for experience, because I just want to learn," Cuban added. Cryptocurrencies are at the start of the great unwind, he adds. The star of NBC's Shark Tank said cryptocurrencies were falling in value because of an unwinding of the market. Cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and Dogecoin also fell, with commentators and Cuban taking to Twitter. "The minute Ethereum drops to their tragic number, the investors had to unwind. Unstake, remove liquidity, repay," wrote the star of Shark Tank. In an email to Newsweek, Cuban added that the more utility the platform has, the more successful it will be. At the end of the day, all crypto is software, and the most successful software has happy users that can't live without it and are willing to pay enough to keep them vibrant. Cuban added to Newsweek that although cryptocurrencies were falling in value, the best platforms will do well over the long term. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and have the bell icon turned on for more buzzing content. And feel free to let us know in the comment section below of your thoughts and perception about the future of Elongate. See you next time.